For a review on finding the range, please see the link in the description to view this video. The following question is closely based on an actual test question that was used for a Minnesota State math exam of 5th grade students in 2022. Susie wrote down the number of her relatives that live in other states than where she lives. What's the range in the number of relatives that live somewhere other than the state where Susie lives? To find the range, we need to know the number of relatives in each state. This question doesn't give us a list of numbers, but it does give that information as a graph. We'll start by writing down the value of each bar. To know the value of a bar, we look at what line it touches along the bottom row. In Iowa, she has 6 relatives. In Kansas, she has 2 relatives. In Maine, she has 3 relatives. We know this value is 3 because the end of the bar is halfway between the line for the 2 and the line for the 4. So there must be a hidden number 3 here. In Michigan, she has 7 relatives. We know that value is 7 because the end of the bar is halfway between the line for the 6 and the line for the 8. So there must be a hidden number 7 here. In Oklahoma, she has 2 relatives. And in Wisconsin, Susie has 4 relatives. To find a range in a list of numbers, we do 3 steps. The first step is to circle the greatest number, which in this list is 7. The second step is to circle the least number. In this list, the least number is 2. There are 2 number 2s, so we can pick either one. The third step is to subtract the least number from the greatest number. In this case, that means subtracting 2 from 7, which equals 5. That means the range in the number of relatives that Susie has that live in different states than where she lives is 5. The correct answer is D. Thanks for your attention.